Well, let me tell you, I just thought of this. I received a membership to the National Yiddish Book Center, or is that how you, that's it, from my children for a birthday present. And that's how I first found out about this place. So while I'm talking to you, I'm thinking, look how they know who I am. You know, and how much I appreciate that. I've never asked them. I will. Now I'll ask. They're three kids. I'll ask which one had the idea first. Not that it matters. I mean, it was from all three of them, but they had the awareness, yeah.